Allah is calling you. Allah is calling.
Aboki, I want to buy plantain. Aboki, yeah, uncle.
To say his name.
Is he starting this guy? This guy is very good friend.
Calling you.
Spray, you know.
Calling you.
More customers. Ribados.
Please,
I
want to buy something.
Huh?
I want to buy rice.
Are you deaf?
but who be a praying now?
My friend, go and sell for him first. Go.
Just 7 cups.
7 cup.
7 cups now.
Please. He said you want to buy 7 cup of rice.
Oh God, it don't happen.
Don't forget to use the fitted cup.
It don't happen.
Don't add Jara to that selling.
He don't say it, you. He don't say it. Oh yeah, give me chance. Give me chance. Because I want to act.
School Petenya.
Cynthia.
CB.
Grace.
Sukumeu.
Angela.
Sukudluku. Iguana. Petesh. Look at this girl. Look at the money I for. Look at this one. Oh.
Look at them.
Like say you carry money come up for her.
She's even from
Yeah, don't mind her.
She don't even have bag.
Useless boys. Even Venza, Lamborghini, you guys don't ever have it. You expect me to stop for you.
Fine guys like us is calling you.
That guy's like,
You are funny.
let's go.
She's okay, Sha.
Don't come and kiss me. Face this direction.